Hey, it's Cliff, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to set up your core trust line on the SOLODEX. So as you can see here, I have the Sologenic page pulled up. You're just going to select access the DEX, and most people will already have their wallet linked up here, but if you don't, you'll just click the button up here. It'll ask you to scan the QR code in the app, and at that point you'll just sign the transaction. It'll link your wallet from your phone to the SOLODEX. But once you have that added, you'll just go up here, select wallet, and then you'll go to add asset. Now in this, there's a way to add known assets, but I'm just gonna go with the information that Sologenic actually gave us. So hit custom asset, and then I have all the information here that you're gonna need. I'll paste this down in the description below, but it's really simple. You're just going to copy that bad boy right there for the issuer, come back, copy the currency code, and then finally you're going to come back and copy the limit. At that point, all you need to do is hit next and then submit. At this point, it's going to ask you to sign the transaction on your phone, which pretty easy. You'll just hit sign transaction, enter your password, and you're good to go. At that point, you have your core trust line set up. So this is going to be a really quick video just to show you how to do it in case anyone wasn't aware of how to set up a trust line on the SOLODEX. And if you got any questions, just hit me up in the comments down below.